I'm giving away this iPhone 17 plus other complimentary rewards to 3 traders, and that trader might just be you. All you have to do is to show me that you can trade, and I'm even going to help you with it, because beside this there is even something bigger coming. Over my trading career, I've been teaching and building tools to help traders with 4 things. First one is to actually understand what they are doing, because a lot of people don't know what they are doing. Some people think they do, but they actually don't. That is why someone can make a lot of money in one trade and lose everything in another trade. They don't really understand how making a living from trading works. 2 is to manage risk. You see, in trading, losing is inevitable. That is just a reality. But you want to be the one deciding your maximum loss before you even place that trade, not the market, you. The FX crypto calculator I built does just that. Then number 3, if you have done this too, the next thing is to increase your win rate, not by doing more, but by actually doing less. You are not taking more trades, you are taking fewer losing trades. Now, even after learning all this thing, number 4 is the biggest problem most traders face, which is discipline, driven by emotions and by impatience. Trading psychology is the hardest part of this whole trading game. It is why there are so few consistently profitable traders. Human beings, you and I, we make decisions based on emotions, and not everyone can overcome that when it comes to trading, even when they know everything they are supposed to know. The system is just rigged to mess with our emotions, and because of this, I'm building the ultimate tool that tackles all of this. It is called Copy Me, and I've mentioned this a lot of times on this channel, and we are now very close to the beta testing. Copy Me allows anyone to copy vetted professional traders without needing to know how to trade themselves. Now, this is what makes Copy Me an exceptional product, even for traders. On the trader side, Copy Me has built-in system that keeps traders accountable. 1, it pushes them to operate within what actually makes money in this market. 2, it has built-in risk management that forces traders to control their risks. 3, it tracks and visualizes each trader's record so they can see their own weak points and correct them. And 4, it has an incentive and penalty system that enforces discipline in the trader. So a trader who trades through Copy Me actually becomes better over time. And before any trader go public on Copy Me, before anyone can copy their trade, they must pass a set of criteria, and they are continuously monitored. If they fall short and at any time, they are taken down. Now, on the copier side, all you do is connect your trading account, set your maximum risk per trade, and choose the trader you want to copy. You can choose to copy only their best performing setup. In fact, a copier can even be more profitable than the trader just by selecting best performing setup from each trader. The beta test is coming in a few weeks, and that is where this iPhone comes into play. Like I said, the way to win this is simply show me you can trade. I'm organizing a trading challenge. All you have to do is to join the challenge group and trade. The top trader wins this, 2 runner-up wins cash prizes. There will be signal provided in that group. You can choose to use the signal, you can choose to ignore it. It is completely up to you. And finally, participants will have the opportunity to be selected for Copy Me beta testing. So this is not just about winning this phone. This is about being a pioneer to a system that changes the way everyday people trade. So I will see you in the challenge.